Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Heroku, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Heroku website by typing in www.heroku.com. On the home page, look for the sign up for free button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you will need it for verification. Once you've completed the form, click on the Create Free Heroku Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Heroku. Open the email and follow the link provided to verify your account. After verification, return to the Heroku website. In the navigation bar, click on the Login button. Enter your newly created email address and password, then click Login. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Heroku dashboard. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Billing. Here, you can choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Review the available plans, including their features and pricing. Pick a plan and click the Select button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields accurately to avoid any issues. After entering your payment details, click on the Submit button. Heroku will process your subscription, and you will receive a confirmation email. Your subscription will now be active, and you can start using Heroku's services. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available options and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.